Hello. Hi. Wonderful people. Boris-san, Manasman, thank you very much for considering KPMG in your next technology enablement engagement. My name is Gavin Oberholzer. I'm an Associate Director in our International Sectors Division at KPMG. I've been with KPMG for the last 3 years, and my role at KPMG is to help member firms across the world in the pursuit and in the execution of their multi-geo engagements. I myself been in the Microsoft space for around 25 years now, and wonderful to be here. So there are many new opportunities that are being created by global digital disruption today, across organizations everywhere and across every industry. And many companies are taking this opportunity to reshape their business models and to redefine their strategies. And of course, this has put pressure on digital leaders being asked to deliver real tangible results, enhance customer, employee and constituent experiences, improved operational insights, at the same time being efficiencies at least, and at the same time providing intelligent insights and increasing speed to market, all the whilst still addressing the security and compliance imperatives that shape the business. KPMG and Microsoft are committed to achieve this, and we've been working together strategically to improve on our agility and scale. And it's this kind of commitment at top executive level right through the organization that enables us to deliver outcome-driven results, at least to our customers. So as a Microsoft business partner, we've got capabilities across the Microsoft stack to deliver on our technology promises, and I'll touch on that in a bit. But we've also, of course, maintained our position as a Microsoft Inner Circle member, and we've grown our global practice services revenue now into excess of 550 million US per annum. And we continue to invest deeply in our customers jointly. So the Microsoft Digital Investment Hub has supported projects to the tune of more than projects and innovation to the tune of more than $6 million now. And our global organization, in terms of capacity, we've got around 6,000 Microsoft professionals across all areas, and 2,000 of those professionals in Microsoft Dynamics specifically. Our multi-country alliance, or the member firms that are active with Microsoft practices, has increased to over 60 of those practices now. So in broad spectrum, if you think about the pillars that we spoke to in the introduction, we have this kind of BizApps pillar that really drives business process transformation side of organizations, developed as well with data aggregation and artificial intelligence capabilities for data insights. And then these other two pillars, or three pillars that we have, one is around the Azure cloud and enterprise architecture. So this is around either moving things to the cloud, landing things in the cloud, or doing any kind of infrastructure or application operational modernization, leveraging Azure. And then we have the digital workspace, which is now being augmented with innovation that we're doing in generative AI, for example. And then we have, of course, cyber and privacy capabilities that then extend across all the different pillars that we are, to make sure that we deploy things in a security and compliant way. So I thought I'd just finish my introduction with showcasing a recent project that we've had. And this one in particular is an industrial manufacturing customer in the United States. For me, the project is interesting as it came to us as a Microsoft Dynamics customer already, but it was a Dynamics customer that was in distress. the Colombian steel tank, you know, they're the leading provider today of these innovative storage solutions. So such as tanks for silos for, you know, liquids and bulk materials, so grain, coal, water, and petrochemicals. But they also manufacture aluminium structures for the architectural market. So CST itself, they operate 6 manufacturing facilities in North America and Europe. They also have technical design centers, and they've got regional offices in Central and South America, Asia, and the Middle East. So today there's more than 375,000 CST storage tanks in the world, with about 20,000 odd covers, and that they've installed in more than 125 countries. The challenge that the customer had, they had challenges with large inventory management problems. So these were leading to significant write-offs of inventory. The implementation that they had done originally was done kind of like inflexibly, and key modules that, you know, were important for, you know, recognizing revenue or driving optimizations in supply chain and manufacturing, they weren't optimally leveraged, and it ended up with a lot of people doing work off system to get around the software. So the client engaged with KPMG, with our team in the US originally, to reconfigure and then to improve the implementation across the financial, the inventory management, and then the supply chain and manufacturing processes. So this was all happening during COVID, with dynamic changes in the supply chain happening, and the speed to market was super important for them. So from an outcome perspective, well, how did we do it? So why KPMG? Well, KPMG, we focused with the end in mind. We started the project focusing on the target operating model, and helped them showcase what best practice looked like, and we helped them to drive the business forward with accelerated time to value. You know, and we spent a lot of time listening, in the beginning at least, listening to different stakeholders across the organization to understand what the problems were with the status quo. And then we followed that up with extensive training and change management and testing prior to the rollout. You know, and that got a lot of buy-in from CST. The team really had a upliftment in morale, and was a better working environment for them overall. In terms of tangible outcomes, you know, the inventory management, we managed to reduce the discrepancies that they had between physical in plant to actuals. I think it moved from 4 million to less than 200K. And then the shipping process time that would take hours per shipment was reduced to less than 15 minutes. There were also benefits in the manufacturing and posting accuracy. So we rolled out the shop floor execution module, and that gave us greater accuracy in posting and also in accounting for WIP. And then on the material planning side, we extended the Microsoft Dynamics 365 sequence planning module function, and that allowed machines to be sequenced more efficiently, improve the material plans and the visibility across the organization. Yeah, so that is it. So that's maybe a brief introduction to our Microsoft global practice. You know, of course, we've got the accolades and the commitment to our customers to deliver, and that's the most important thing. So here today, just to reflect that, as a center of excellence, the international team, as well as the member firms that have participated in supporting this RFP, are absolutely committed to you and your success, and we look forward to the opportunity of working with you. Thank you very much.